Welcome to Creative Scout. Let's talk football. An insane £5 billion was collectively spent by clubs in Europe's top 5 leagues during the summer transfer window. Premier League clubs alone spent £1.79 billion on 419 deals in the summer. On top of that, another £811 million was spent by top 5 leagues on 479 deals in the January transfer window. In order to give a more unbiased ranking, we have used the following criteria: stats, overall impact on the team, and finally, value for money and the future prospects of the player in the club. Please note, only permanent transfers were considered. 5. Benjamin Pavard. Age 24. Country France. Moved from Stuttgart to Bayern Munich for a transfer fee of 35 million euros. A versatile defender who is predominantly a right back but comfortable enough to play as a right-sided centre back. The World Cup winner has been ever present for Bayern Munich side, who have conceded the least goals in the Bundesliga. He has also contributed on the other side of the pitch as well. 4 goals and 4 assists in 32 league matches. An underrated cog in Bayern Munich's title-winning season again. With strong aerial presence and physicality, along with efficient passing ability, he has all the qualities to be part of Bayern Munich's backline for years to come. 4. Aaron Van Bissaka. Age 22. Country England. Moved from Crystal Palace to Manchester United for a transfer fee of initial 50 million euros, rising up to 55 million euros with add-ons. A tough tackling right-sided fullback. Van Bissaka is without doubt the best one-on-one defender in the world. Nicknamed Spider, he is really strong in tackling, interception and defensive contributions. His offensive side was questioned so many times this season, but in the second half of the season, Van Bissaka has become more proactive in the final third. He had already contributed to 4 assists in 31 league appearances. Van Bissaka's 2.5 successful tackles per match is the best in the league and has won an insane 73 tackles. With age on his side, Van Bissaka has all the qualities to be the best defensive right back in the world and to be part of Manchester United's backline for the next 10 years. 3. Christopher Nkunku. Age 22. Country France. Moved from PSG to RB Leipzig for a transfer fee of 13 million euros, rising up to 15 million euros with add-ons. Nkunku is a versatile player, predominantly a left winger, but is comfortable enough to play anywhere across the forward line and midfield. Moved to RB Leipzig from PSG in search of first-team football, Nkunku has really made a great impact in Bundesliga in his first season. With great pace and trickery, precision dead ball deliveries and crossing along with an eye for through balls and key passes, he has 5 goals and 15 assists in 32 Bundesliga matches. Finished the season behind Muller and Jadon Sancho in assist chart. With 2.72 chances created and 2.31 key passes per match, Nkunku has already made himself a key player in the exciting RB Leipzig lineup. With age on his side, his development is certainly on the upward trajectory and the future is looking bright for him and RB Leipzig with him on the side. 2. Erling Haaland. Age 19. Country Norway. Moved from Molde FK to RB Salzburg for a transfer fee of 8 million euros and then moved from RB Salzburg to Borussia Dortmund for a transfer fee of 20 million euros. A late centre forward with a poacher's instinct. Without doubt, the best value for money signing in our list based on stats. 10 goals in Champions League turned everyone's eyes towards him. He had an insane season with RB Salzburg scoring 28 goals in 21 matches. He scored a 23-minute hat-trick on his Dortmund debut. He just simply can't stop scoring and have already notched 16 goals in 18 matches for Dortmund in all competitions. He has 2.3 shots per game with 1.3 shots on target. A physically strong counter-attacking threat with an ability to be at the right place at the right time, he is a nightmare for opposition defenders. At the age of 19, he is a superstar in the making and his best form yet to come. 1. Bruno Fernandes. Age 26. Country Portugal. Moved from Sporting Lisbon to Manchester United for a transfer fee of 55 million euros plus 25 million in variables. A tireless central midfielder who is equally adept at playing either as a central attacking midfielder or a left inside forward. The hype is real. Never ever in recent past have we seen any football fans demanding so much for a signing more than Manchester United fans for Bruno Fernandes. Manchester United signed Bruno Fernandes in January and he instantly transformed an average-looking United squad with his creativity, dynamism and winning mentality. Unbeaten in 16 matches, all-age young Manchester United team is definitely moving in the upward trajectory with Bruno Fernandes as the main catalyst. He has 7 goals and 6 assists in 10 matches in the Premier League. With an eye for through balls and key passes, precision set pieces and long-range shots and equally important defensive contributions, he is already a cult hero among United fans. You can only wonder how different United season would look had he been signed last summer, a definite benchmark for all future big signings to be compared to. Honorable mentions: Lucas Ocampos, Marcus Thuram, Romelu Lukaku, Idrissa Gueye, Theo Hernandez. Let us know in the comments if you agree with our list. If not, feel free to mention your top 5. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more creative football content. See you soon. Peace out.